Denmark is a Scandinavian country filled with enchanting cities, historical landmarks, and natural beauty. Known for its rich history, modern lifestyle, and stunning architecture. Famous for being one of the happiest nations in the world, Denmark offers picturesque coastal towns and vibrant city life. The country blends traditional culture with contemporary attractions. It's a perfect destination for all kinds of travelers seeking memorable experiences. Copenhagen explored Tivoli Gardens, one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. Visit the Nyhavn district for its colorful buildings and waterfront dining. Discover the Little Mermaid statue, an iconic landmark. Tour Christiansborg Palace, a hub of Denmark's political history. Walk along Strøget, one of Europe's longest pedestrian streets. Experience Freetown Christiania, a unique and artistic community. Odense, visit the Hans Christian Andersen Museum, dedicated to the famous fairy tale author. Explore the Funen village, showcasing Danish rural life. Stroll through Odense Zoo, a family-friendly attraction. Discover Egeskov Castle, a well-preserved Renaissance water castle. Walk along the riverfront for scenic views and relaxation. Enjoy the lively atmosphere at the Brandts Arts Center. Tivoli Gardens experience thrilling rides and family-friendly attractions. Enjoy live performances and concerts throughout the year. Wander through beautifully landscaped gardens and fountains. Relish gourmet dining at on-site restaurants and cafes. Visit during Christmas for enchanting lights and decorations. Admire Tivoli's Moorish-inspired architecture. Aarhus, explore the Eros Aarhus Art Museum with its rainbow panorama. Visit the Old Town, Den Gamleby, an open-air museum. Discover the Marselisborg Palace and its surrounding gardens. Relax at the beaches of Aarhus Bay. Experience the unique Mosgaard Museum, focused on archaeology. Enjoy the vibrant food and shopping scene in Aarhus city center. Nyhavn stroll along the historic canal lined with colorful townhouses. Take a boat tour to explore Copenhagen's waterways. Savor Danish cuisine at waterfront restaurants. Learn about Nyhavn's maritime history through its restored ships. Capture stunning photos of this iconic Copenhagen area. Visit the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, located here. Rosenborg Castle, marvel at the Danish crown jewels and royal regalia. Walk through the beautifully maintained King's Garden. Explore rooms adorned with Renaissance and Baroque art. Learn about Denmark's royal history through exhibits. Enjoy seasonal flower displays around the castle grounds. Discover the Knight's Hall with its intricate tapestries. Frederiksborg Castle, visit the Museum of National History located inside the castle. Stroll through the magnificent Baroque-style gardens. Admire the impressive Chapel of Frederiksborg. Explore the castle's intricate architecture and historical exhibits. Enjoy views of the castle surrounded by the serene lake. Discover the unique portrait collection showcasing Danish history. National Museum of Denmark. Learn about Danish history from prehistoric times to today. Discover exhibitions on Danish colonial history and culture. Marvel at the Bronze Age Ekved Girl exhibit. Visit the Children's Museum for interactive experiences. Enjoy guided tours and multimedia presentations. The Round Tower, climb the spiral ramp to enjoy panoramic views of Copenhagen. Visit the Observatory, one of Europe's oldest functioning facilities. Explore the exhibition space featuring art and history displays. Learn about the tower's role in 17th century science and astronomy. Admire the architectural innovation of its spiral ramp. Enjoy the peaceful library hall inside the tower. Christiansborg Palace, tour the royal reception rooms used for state functions. Explore the historical ruins beneath the palace. Visit the Danish Parliament, Supreme Court, and Prime Minister's office. Admire the intricate details of the Great Hall's tapestries. Climb the tower for stunning city views. Discover the palace chapel with its elegant design. Roskilde, explore the Roskilde Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit the Viking Ship Museum showcasing ancient maritime history. Stroll through the charming city center filled with shops and cafes. Learn about Denmark's royal burials at the cathedral. Enjoy the annual Roskilde Festival, one of Europe's largest music events. Relax by the scenic Roskilde Fjord. Skagen, discover Grenland, where two seas meet in a unique natural phenomenon. Visit the Skagen Museum, featuring works of local artists. Climb the Skagen Lighthouse for breathtaking views. Explore the shifting sands of Rabjerg Mile, a vast dune. Stroll through the charming town center with boutique shops. Enjoy fresh seafood at local restaurants. Bornholm, explore Hammershus Castle, Northern Europe's largest medieval fortification. Relax on Duode Beach with its white powdery sand. Visit the unique round churches scattered across the island. Discover Bornholm Art Museum's stunning coastal location. Enjoy cycling along scenic trails through forests and villages. Taste the island's famous smoked fish specialties. Kronborg Castle discover exhibits detailing the castle's military and royal history. Walk along the fortress walls for stunning views of the Øresund. Admire the exquisite Renaissance architecture. Visit the underground casemates and explore hidden chambers. Learn about maritime history in the adjoining museum. Ribe walk through Denmark's oldest town with its cobblestone streets. Visit Ribe Cathedral with its impressive architecture. Explore the Viking Center for an immersive historical experience. Learn about local history at the Ribe Art Museum. Stroll along the Ribe River for scenic views. Enjoy quaint cafes and boutique shops in the town center. Amalienborg witness the changing of the guard ceremony daily. Tour the Amalienborg Museum for royal family history. Admire the octagonal square and surrounding palace facades. Enjoy views of the marble church and its grand dome nearby. Discover the royal residence's elegant interiors. Learn about Danish monarchs through multimedia exhibits. Lego House, Billund. Enjoy interactive experiences celebrating creativity and imagination. Explore the Tree of Creativity, built entirely from Lego bricks. Visit the Masterpiece Gallery showcasing unique Lego creations. Participate in hands-on building activities for all ages. Discover the history collection tracing Lego's development. Take fun photos with giant Lego sculptures. Church of Our Savior. Climb the winding external staircase for incredible city views. Admire the Baroque-style architecture of this iconic church. Listen to the beautiful organ music during services or concerts. Discover the church's historical significance to Copenhagen. Explore the serene interior with ornate altars and carvings. Visit the tower lit up beautifully during the evenings. Near Carlsberg Glyptotek explore art collections ranging from ancient to modern. Marvel at the impressive sculpture galleries. Walk through the beautiful winter garden inside the museum. Learn about Danish and European art history. Enjoy temporary exhibitions featuring global masterpieces. Relax at the rooftop cafe with views of Copenhagen. The Little Mermaid take photos with Copenhagen's iconic bronze statue. Learn the story behind Hans Christian Andersen's famous tale. Walk along the Langelinie Promenade near the statue. Enjoy views of Copenhagen Harbor surrounding the landmark. Visit nearby attractions like Kastellet Fortress. Aalborg explore the Aalborg Zoo, home to diverse wildlife. Visit the Utzon Center showcasing architecture and design. Discover the Aalborg Historical Museum's intriguing exhibits. Stroll through the picturesque Old Town. Enjoy waterfront views at the revitalized Aalborg Harbor. Experience the vibrant nightlife along Jomfruenegade. Mosgaard Museum marvel at the well-preserved Grauball man-bog body. Explore interactive exhibits that engage all senses. Admire the museum's modern architecture blending into the landscape. Walk the surrounding trails with stunning natural views. Attend special events and exhibitions throughout the year. Rubjerg Knud visit, the iconic Rubjerg Knud lighthouse surrounded by shifting sands. Experience breathtaking views of the North Sea from the cliffside. Learn about the challenges of coastal erosion in the area. Explore the surrounding dunes for unique photo opportunities. Discover the history of the lighthouse and its relocation project. Enjoy hiking trails leading to the lighthouse.